Hello, this video talks about the most effective cleaning method for ceramic cooktop. Cookwares are the most frequently used at home, easy to get dirty. Once they are dirty, and it is not easy to clean. Take a look at this new ceramic cooktop we bought just a few months ago. It used to look very good, but after using for a while, some dirty stuff appears near the stove. Such a beautiful cookware has some hard stuff surrounding the fireplaces. It is looking very bad, nasty, and not comfortable. In order to clean it, I have done some research on some popular cleaning methods and experimented by myself. It turns out they are all unsatisfactory to varying degrees. After that, I thought out a very good idea. We may use toothpaste and mouthwash, and we use them every day to clean our teeth. We brush our teeth. Why can't we clean the dirty stuff on the stove? So let's try it and compare it with other cleaning methods. The most popular number one cleaning method is baking soda cleaning method. Dishwashing liquid and vinegar and to clean. So I use the different methods on different parts of the cooktop. Same soaking time and same efforts. Then I compare the result with different cleaning methods. Step 1. I divided the dirt into A, B, C, D zone. Then put some soda on A, dirty zone. Then covered with a damp rag. Then scratch a little bit. Vinegar methods on B dirty zone. Spray some liquid on dirt. Scratch it a little bit. Dishwash method on C dirty zone. Spray a little bit and scratch a little bit. Toothpaste mouthwash on D dirty zone. Spray a little bit toothpaste, then scratch a little bit. Then add a little bit mouthwash. Scratch a little bit. Step 2. Let them soak for 15 minutes. Step 3. Cleaning. First clean with a cleaning sponge, then wipe out with a rag. Let's look what we got. The most effective and cleanest method is to use toothpaste and mouthwash, which remove all dirt without effort. Look at it. Look. It is completely clean, 100%. So the toothpaste and mouthwash clean method is the best method. Other methods, they are all unsatisfactory to various degrees. Either have to work too hard or not clean completely. Or you can see the dirt marks still a little bit on the fireplaces. So the conclusion is the best method to clean the cooktop is to use toothpaste and mouthwash, and followed by baking soda, vinegar, and dishwash liquids. Okay, that is for today. Thank you for watching. Maybe you can try it, and welcome you share with your experience. If you like our videos, please click the links to subscribe, share, like, and save. Welcome you surf this channel, and we have hundreds of videos to share with you American life. Thank you all.